So I'll be showing you how to turn Bluetooth and wireless connections on or off on your GoPro Hero 12. So swipe down from the top of the screen and then flick left, tap on Preferences. Under Preferences, you should see Wireless Connections. Tap on that, and then you'll see Wireless Connections. Tap on that, and it says turn your camera's Bluetooth and network connection on and off. So you can see currently it's set to on. To turn off, make sure off is selected, and then you can tap on empty space and go back all the way to the main screen. And that's basically how to turn Bluetooth and wireless connections on or off on your GoPro Hero 12. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.